Hello everyone, today we're going to open and build this LEGO 2024 Friends Set The Cat Playground Adventure. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. And here we are, let's start building. With only 87 pieces, of course this set was a breeze to build. Originally, I have no intention to buy this set until I noticed this new variant of the Chunky Cat. And it was on discount and I only need to pay 11 New Zealand dollars. It comes with 2 mini dolls with Leanne and with a new outfit and Ollie, which is identical to the Ollie in the Ollie and Paisley family houses set. By looking at the package, I wasn't expecting much from this set, but actually there was some very nice surprise built within. You can see here this part, if you push alongside, you can see how it moves. You can see the drink and the food and also the litter over here. And this one is a nice surprise because this isn't a sticker but actual printed piece. Although, for this print, I'm not sure like what other usage that you have. But basically, the cat went in and did whatever it needs to do. And then, of course, the cat will cover up. So it kind of simulate the action and it gets covered. Other than that, you have a slide here and also some toys for or entertainment for the cats. And this is the Cat Playground Adventure. Believe it or not, I will recommend this set because it's actually quite a surprising set to own. While the build is not complex, but it does comes with some interesting parts. Given the cheap price, I guess why not? Be sure to let me know what you think about this set in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other videos and I'll see you next time.